Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In last class, we saw how to create customer master, that is complete customer master in SAP. We also saw the important fields and important tables that one consultant should know about the customer master. In today's class, let us discuss two important concepts, that is account groups and partner determination functions. See, in standard, like I told in last class, we have four different types of partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, payer, and bill to party. Now, each partner function is associated by one account group. Okay, each partner function can have only one account group. So now for four different types of account groups, we have standard, that is four different account groups. 0001 is for sold to party, 0002 is for ship to party, 0003 is for payer, and 0004 is for bill to party. Now let us see in SAP. Now I will log in into SAP. Just a minute. So I am logging into SAP. X. Okay. So what is the takeover to create customer master? That is complete customer master XD01. Now we have something called as account group. Now click on the overview, account group overview. Now you can see account groups. 0001 is for sold to party, 0002 is for ship to party, 0003 is for payer, and 0004 is for bill to party. Now I'll copy this all, Control C. Now I will paste in one Excel sheet. Okay, Control V. So this will be 0001. This will be 0002. This will be 0003, and this will be 0004. Okay. So we have four different types of account groups. Now, what is the functionality of this account groups? Okay, what is the functionality of this account groups? So first one is it controls the number ranges. First one is account groups. Account groups will control the number ranges. Okay. So like I mentioned in this Word document, first one is account group will help or it will help to differentiate the number ranges. So let us assume that for sold party, we have assigned one number range that starts with, for example, for example, I'm writing here 100 to 1999. Okay, so this is the number range. So whenever I select account group as 0001 for sold to party, and when I am entering all the details in XT01, and while saving, system will generate customer account code between these number range. Now for ship to party, I am giving number range as 2000 to 29999. Okay. So whenever I create a customer with this account group and when I save it, system will generate a number range that starts with two series. Now we have 0003 or 0004. Okay. For payer, I'm giving three series. Okay, three series. Now 3999. So whenever I'm creating a customer with account group payer, now when I'm saving it, system will give a number range that starts with series, three series. Now pay for bill to party. For bill to party, what I'm doing, I'm telling system that whenever I create a customer with account group bill to party and when I'm saving it, system should generate a customer whose number range will start with four series. So this is how system will help us to identify whether the customer is sold to party or ship to party or payer or bill to party. So let us assume one small example. Okay, one small example. Suppose you are a account or you are a bank holder of SBI. I am assuming that your account number starts with SBI 1000243. Now I have an account in ICICI. Now my bank account will start with ICICI, some random number. So let us assume there is one more person who's a holder of HDFC. Now the bank number starts with HDFC, some random number. Okay. Now let us assume that a person will tell that my account group number is SBI. See, by default, we can understand that he is a account holder of SBI. Now ICICI, so easily we can identify, right, to which bank account they belong. Similarly, SAP has given a number range such that whenever you create any customer under any account group, different number range will generate, and it will help us to identify whether a customer is sold to party or shipped to party or payer or bill to party. So in real time example, in real time, okay, in SAP itself, in real time, there will be some issue with the customer. You don't know whether the customer is shipped to party or bill to party or payer. You don't know. Now you will tell to your supervisor that, sir, one customer is facing issue. Now the supervisor will ask, who is that person? Whether he is a payer or bill to party, or who is that person? Now you will go blank. You don't know. You don't know whether he's a sold to party or shipped to party. Now the manager will ask, okay, at least you tell me the first digit of that particular customer. Now you will say, sir, that customer first series will start with 3. Now the manager will identify, okay, he is a payer. Okay, he is a payer and he is not shipped to party. So like this, we can differentiate, customers based on the account groups. So hope you understood the first point. Account group will control the number ranges and it will help us to differentiate between different partner functions. Now second one. Now what we have the second one. Second one is account group will help to control the fields in customer master. Controlling the fields means making the fields as mandatory, optional, or suppress. For example, I will create one customer with account group 0001. 1 second. Now, what is the T code to create the customer master? XD01. So I'm going to XD01. I'm selecting account group as 0001. Now I am selecting my company code, my sales, organization, distribution channel, division, enter. See, now you can see these fields, right? See, these are mandatory fields. So wherever you can see a check, right? So these are mandatory fields. So system will not allow you to go further without entering the data here. For example, this customer is Prakash and search term I'm giving Prakash and postal code city I'm giving Bengaluru and India. Now enter. See, fill in all required fill in all required entry fields. Okay, so these are controlled by account groups. Okay, we will see how these account groups will control. Now I'm giving 0001, enter. See, now system will allow you to go to the next tab. Now if you see, system will allow me to go to payment terms without entering any data in control tab because all these fields are optional. Okay, all these are optional. Now you can see this tax, this option, it is suppressed. Okay, it is suppressed. I cannot enter anything. So all these is controlled by account groups. So hope you got the meaning of these statements. Account group will help to control the fields in customer master. Controlling the fields means making the fields as mandatory, optional, or suppress. Now account groups will control the partner functions. What is the meaning of this? Now, if you go to sales and area, now go to partner functions. See, you can see sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. See how it has come. So all these has come automatically because of the functionality of account groups. Okay, in interview, if you're a fresher and in interview they will definitely ask what is the purpose of account groups. So you have to tell these three important points. First one is number range, second one is to suppress or make it optional or mandatory, third one is to control the partner functions. Okay, now let us create our own account groups. So define account groups. Now we have a path. Go to SPRO slash and SPRO. Now go to reference IMG. Now go to sales and distribution. Go to sales and distribution. Now go to master data, business partner, customer, Is it correct? One second. Business partner, customer, control, customer, one second. Logistic general. Okay, sorry, I have to go to logistic general. So where is the logistic general here? Where is the logistic general? Logistic execution is here. See, logistic general is here. Okay. So just below this flexible real estate management. So below this we have logistic general. Now go to I think master data, logistic general, business partner. I'm closing this. Logistic general, business partner, customer, control. Now you can see define account groups and fields. Okay, you can see define account groups and field selection for customer. Now execute this. Now select this account group and you can click on copy as. Click on copy as. Now let us give our own account group. For example, ZZ SP. SP means sold to party. Okay, ZZSP. I'm giving ZZSP. Now save this. Okay, now save this. Now I will go to Excel sheet. I will enter the sold to party. For sold to party, what is the account group we created? ZZSP. Now for ship to party, let us create for ship to party. One step come back, click on copy as. Now ZZ ship to party, right? SP. So I will change here also ZZSP. Enter. See, system is telling that an entry already exists with the same key. Now what we'll do, we'll just manipulate this ship to party. Yes, this I will give. Okay, now system is accepting. Enter, save it. Okay, ZZSS. ZZSS for ship to party. Now payer. For payer 0003. Now come here, select 0003, click on copy as. Now for payer, what we will give ZZPY payer. Now ZZPY payer. Okay. Now let us create bill to party. Okay. See, please do not disturb this because these are standards given by SAP. Now select this. Now click on copy as. For bill to party, what I will do? ZZBP. Enter. Now I will give ZZBP. Enter. Now save this. Now save this. Now come back. Okay. Now what I will do? I will open one new screen /o xd01. Now, if you click on account groups, if you click on account groups, scroll down, see we can see our own account groups. So these four we created, right? ZZBP bill to party, ZZPY for payer, ZZSP for sold to party, ZZSS for ship to party. So this is how we are creating account groups. Okay. Now if you select on sold to party, see ZZSP. So this is our sold to party. Okay. Hope you understood how we can create account groups in SAP. So after this, what we have to do now? See, either we can go to path. Okay, we can navigate through path that is SPRO, logistic general, and we have to go to business partner, customer control, and this one. Or else, what we can do, we have one T code, direct T code. Right? So we have one direct T code which is called as OVT0. OVT0. If you click on OVT0 directly, you can navigate to account groups. Okay, as a consultant, you should remember this transaction because in interview they will ask OVT0 is the T code to create a to navigate to account group OVT0. Okay. Now let us understand the importance of each field in account groups. See, these things, whatever we have gone through now, this account group will help to differentiate the number ranges. Account group will help to control the fields in customer master. So all these things let us config now. Now, first one is, now I will execute this. Now ZZZSP. Now, this is sold to party. If I double click on sold to party, we have so many fields: number range, one time customer, general data, company code data, sales data. Now, this procedure, okay, pattern termination procedure. So, all these fields we have. Now, what I will do, see, we have something called as number ranges. Okay. For number ranges, what we have to do, let us create our own number range. Okay, so we can navigate through path, or we have one, direct T code, that is XDN1. Okay, XDN1 is the T code, or let us navigate through the path. Now I am highlighting in the Word document. So same path. Okay, we went just now, right? So same path we have to go. That is SPRC or XDN1 is the T code. If you click XDN1, range maintenance for customer, or we have a path also. So it's better you navigate through path because you will remember those, and you can explore other options also. Now SPRO, logistic general. So where is logistic general? Just somewhere we saw here, right? So we have logistic general, we have business partner, we have customers, we have control. Now define account groups and field selection for customer. It's done. Now second one, what we have, number ranges. So define and assign number ranges. Okay. Now define number ranges for customer master. Now click on change intervals. Okay, click on change intervals. See, there are so many, number ranges which is already created. Now go to interval, click on free interval. Now system will give what are the free intervals that are available. Okay, system will give what are the free intervals that are available. So what I am doing, okay, I will select this one. I think this is the easiest one. I will copy in the Excel sheet. Okay, I'll copy in the Excel sheet. So I will delete this. Okay. I will delete this. See, even in the implementation project, so this is how you maintain all the records. Okay. Whatever you do, everything should be recorded like this. Okay. Now what happens? 100, right? So what I will do, I will copy the same thing. I will copy the same thing. Control C. I will give Control V. Now what I am doing, I am giving this as 200. Okay. Now I'm just Control V. I'm giving this as 200. Okay, I will give this as 299. 299, and I will give this as 300. This is 300. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Control V. So I am giving this as 300. So I'm going a bit slowly because everyone should understand this concept. Now 300 to 399. Okay. Now Control V. So what I am doing, I am giving 400, 400 to 499, 499. Now Control V. Now what I am doing, I am taking 500, taking 500, Control V, 599. Okay. Now I have to, now what I will do, I will close this. Now you have something called insert line. Click on insert line. Now scroll up. Now, for example, I'll take Z1. So an interval already exists. Now what I will do, I will ZP. I will take ZP. Now I'll scroll down. So go to the ZP. There are so many number ranges which has been created. Now this is a ZP. What I will do, I will delete this. Now I will copy this. Control C, Control V, Control V. I will give 299. Enter. Okay. Now again insert. So what is the number range? For this number range is ZP. So you should note down everything. So this is a number range ZP. Now what I will do, I will insert one more line ZP. Now I'll give ZQ. Okay. I'll give ZQ, ZQ, and this is a number range. I'm copying this number range. Control C, Control V, Control V. Now I'll give 399. Right? So 399. Enter. Now go to one more line item. Now ZO. Okay, I'll give ZO. So this is ZO. ZO. We'll copy this. Control V to Control V 499. Enter. Now click one more. ZP. I will take ZG. Okay. I will take ZG. I will copy this Control C, Control V, Control V 599. Okay. See, if you check external number, then while creating customer master, you have to give external number. Okay. Now save this. Okay. The data has been saved. See, we have something called NR status. NR status means number in status. Now, if you come to our, the number range, so you can see that for ZP, see for ZP, ZQ, ZO, and ZG. You can see the NR status as 0, which means that no customer has been created with this number range. And even the external is unchecked, which means that system will generate the customer number by default. Okay, now I'm saving this. So I'm coming back. I'm coming one more step back. Now assign number range to account groups. Okay, so data is logged, it is shown now. Okay, do you want to display? No. So I think somewhere I have opened that account groups. Okay, yeah, here I have opened. Okay, so now what I will do, either I can go to OBT0 or I can come here directly, assign. Now, okay, what I will do is I will go to OBT0 only. Okay, for simple understanding. Now go to OBT0, OBT0, sorry, OBT0. Now, what is our account group for sold to party? ZZSP. Okay, ZZSP is sold to party. I'm going inside. I'm removing this number range. Okay. Now, what is so this is ZG, right? So this is ZG. I think this is ZO. Okay. Now ZP, Control C, and assign Control V. Enter. Now save this. Okay. Now come back. Now ZZSP. What is the number range? ZQ, Control C, Control C, Control V. Now save this. Now one step come back. Now what is the next we have? Next we have is pair. Okay. For pair, what is the number range we have? For pair, number range is ZO. Okay, ZO. Now save this. Now one step come back. Now last one is bill to party. Go to bill to party. Select ZG, Control C, Now I will paste it here. Before we save this. See done. See now, see the magic. Now go to XT01. Now I will select account group. I will go to account group. For sold to party ZZSP, right? If I go to ZZSP, see you can see what is the lower limit and what is the upper limit. For ship to party also we can see. Okay, sold to party, ship to party, and we have something called payer and bill to party. So this is how we will configure the number range and we will assign number range to account group. So this is how the account group will control the number range. Now I will take sold to party. Let me create one customer. Okay, let me create one customer. For example, XY, for example, XYZ customer, XYZ customer. So this is also XY such term as XYZ. Now Bengaluru, country IN, 10, transportation zone. Now go to company code data, reconciliation account, go to sales area, go to shipping tab. Just I'm entering the mandatory fields. Now go to billing documents. In billing documents, encode terms is important. Okay. And what is the tax? Now go to partner function. Here you can see four partner functions. Okay. Now four partner functions. 1 minute. I think the number is data is incomplete. So 1 minute, what we'll do is, so it is telling that data is missing. See why the data is missing. Okay, see, first step is what? We created our own account group. Second one, we have assigned the number ranges. Like I told, three important points. Okay, where is the Word document? The Word document is here. Like I told, account group will help to differentiate number range. So this is done. Now, there is third point, account group will help to control the partner function. So this account group, whatever the account group that we have selected, it will control the partner function. So we have to config partner determination procedure in order to fix this issue. So our system will not allow. So we have to create or we have to config partner determination procedure. Now quickly let us config the partner determination procedure. Now we have something called partner determination. Okay, so before that, let us complete the important fields in account groups. Now go to account groups, SP. So this is the importance of number range. Now what is one time customer? Okay, what is one time customer? We check one time customer to 1D CPD or CPDA account group. Okay. So we check this in one-time customer account group. Standard one-time customer account group is CPD and CPDA. Okay. So you have to uncheck this. Come back. Oh, sorry. OBT0. Now go to CPD. Okay. So CPD and CPDA. What is one-time customer? We'll see. So we will check only for one-time customer. Come back. Now double click on this CPDA. So this is one-time customer. What is the importance? So what happens when we check one-time customer in account group? So this is interview question. So system will ask for name and address while creating sales order. One-time customer is a customer who will not place the order next time. Company will not no will not create separate master data for every one-time customer. They create one-time customer for all the one-time customer. See, what does this statement means? See, assume that you're going to Reliance Digital. Okay, you will purchase one laptop. So are you a regular visitor to Reliance Digital? No, right? So you are a one-time customer. You are not a regular customer. So suppose let us assume that Reliance Digital is creating customer master data for every customer. See, once in a year, more than 10,000 people will visit Reliance Digital, right? So if Reliance Digital starts creating customer master for all the customers who walk in into Reliance Digital, then how much database will be consumed? Correct, right? So many database will be consumed. So that's why what SAP has done, SAP has given two different account groups, which is called as CPD and CPDA for one-time customer. Okay, for one-time customer. See, now I'll come back. I will create one customer. I'll create one customer that is using transaction XT01. Now this time I will select account group as CPDA. Okay, CPDA. What is CPDA? That is one-time customer. You can see lower limit and upper limit of this, and it is checked external. That means that before saving, we have to specify what is the number. Now double click on the CPDA in this sales area I'm creating. Now click on enter. Okay, it is giving some warning message. Okay, see account group one-time customer uses external number range assignment, specify an account number. So now what I'm doing, I'm giving A Z Z Z Z 3. Now click on enter. A Z Z Z 3, enter. See, this is the external number range. So I will give this as some XYZ customer. XYZ customer is from India. Now go to company code data, give the reconciliation account. Now go to sales area data. Now you can go to shipping data, just give delivery priority, shipping condition. Now go to billing. You can give Incoterms, and payment is immediate payment. So when you go to Reliance Digital, you do sometimes immediate payment, right? Now save this. Now save this. See, A4Z3 customer has been created. Now, whenever I create a sales order, this OR standard sales order. Now, if I enter that customer, now system will ask what is the address. Okay, what is the name of this customer? You can change. For example, Vikas, or tomorrow one Vaishnavi will come to purchase something. So with the same sold to party, I can give different names, different city, and different phone number, email address. Okay, so this is how one-time customer will work in SAP. This is also very important concept. So we will see how this works while discussing the business process. For now, just understand what is one-time customer and for which account group we check that one-time mark. Okay. Now, what is this field status? Now go to ZZSP. Now double click on this. We have called field status. Now, if you double click on general data, just double click on address. See, now you can see that required entry. That means that without entering these fields, you cannot move forward. Okay. So now optional entry. So whether you enter or don't enter, then you can go. And this is suppress. You can't do anything. Suppress. And display. This is only for display. See, now what I will do, I will see district is there, no? I will make district as required entry. Now I will save this. For this particular account group, I have made district as mandatory. Now what I will do, I will create one customer master. Go to XT01. Now what is the account group? Account group is ZZSP. Select this. Click on enter. Now if you extend this, okay, if you extend this, first you have to enter all the details. Okay. You have to enter all the details. See this district, no, it has become mandatory. Okay, you can see this district has become mandatory because the control is in account groups. Now, if I go inside, if I click on address, now where is the district? I will make district as optional. Okay, I'll create as optional and I will save this. Okay, now I will create one more customer in the same account group. Okay, in the same account group, enter. Okay, if you extend this, okay, first we have to fill this. First we have to fill this. Now I will extend this. Okay, see you can see district it has become optional. So this is how the account groups will control mandatory, optional, display. See, display means you can't enter anything. Okay, this is the display. This is the display. What do you mean by suppress? So when you suppress any field, that field you cannot see in customer master. Now, for example, in address tab, there is something called okay, I will suppress the region. Okay, I will suppress the region. Now go to address tab. Now region. Okay, so region is here. Now what I will do, I will suppress this from optional entry to suppress. Now I will save this. Okay, now I'll create one more customer master slash n xt01. See, there is no option called a region here. So this is how the field status in account group will control each and everything. Now go to address tab. So this is the region. Now click on mandatory required. Now save this. Okay. Similarly, for a company code also you can do, and similarly for sales data also you can do sales data. See, as per the client requirement, you have to configure all this. Now, if I go to xt01 slash and xt01, that time it was optional for region. Now I have made it a mandatory. See, region has become mandatory. So this is how you can control the fields of customer master with the help of account groups. Now you understood the number range, one-time account group, the field status. Next is text procedure. So 01. So this we will discuss in text determination process. Now not required. Now customer pricing procedure 1. So this field is one of the parameter which will determine the customer pricing procedure automatically while creating the customer master. For example, XD01, XD01, okay, and account group is ZZSP. Click on enter. Click on enter. I will fill these details. I will fill these details. Okay, I will fill this detail. Now go to sales area data. Now if you scroll down, see, you can see customer pricing procedure is one. From where it is coming? It is coming from the account groups. It is coming from the account groups. Now partner termination procedure is AG. See, this partner termination procedure is controlling this partner function. Okay, it is controlling the partner functions. Now let us configure our own partner functions. See, in order to overcome this error, we have to configure our own partner termination procedure and we have to assign here. Now let us see how we can configure partner termination procedure. Now what do you mean by partner termination procedure? See, this is the fifth step. Okay. So it will help to determine relevant partner function in customer master. The standard partner termination for is AG for sold to party. Now, if you go to sold to party, okay, if you go to sold to party, that is OVT0. If you go to OVT0, and if you go to sold to party, that is ZZSP. If you double click here, see, AG is the standard partner termination procedure for sold to party. And for if you see for ship to party, for ship to party, it is WE is a standard uh, partner termination procedure. And for payer, if you see for payer, if you see for payer, it is RG. So in interview, they will ask what is the standard partner termination procedure for payer. Now, if you come one step back, you can go for bill to party. For bill to party, RE is a standard partner termination procedure. Now let us configure our own partner termination procedure. Okay. So hope you understood what is the standard partner termination procedure for sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Now, how we can config this? So we have a path. Okay, we have a path to config this. Now go to SPRO, reference IMG, reference IMG. Now we can see sales and distribution, sales and distribution. Now go to basic functions, go to partner determination, set up partner determination. Now we have many options. Now select setup partner termination for customer master. Double click on that. Now, click on new entries. Go to new entries. Now partner termination procedure for sold to party. Now I'll give ZZSP. So what is the description? Partner termination procedure for sold to party. Okay. Now select this. So usually we have four steps. Okay. If you see this Word document, we have four steps. First one is define partner termination procedure. Okay. So we have defined. Now save this. Okay. One TR will generate. So we have created one partner termination procedure for sold to party. Now select this line item. Now double click on partner termination in procedure. Okay. Partner termination in procedure. Now go to new entries. Now this partner termination procedure, that is this partner termination procedure is associated by four different partner function. One is SP, which is sold to party, SH ship to party, SH ship to party, and third one is payer, and fourth one is bill to party, sorry, BP, bill to party. Now remember, we have two different functions here. One is not modifiable. Second one is mandatory. Now, only for sold to party, you have to check both. So only for sold to party, you have to check both, and for rest of the thing, you have to check mandatory. Okay, check mandatory, and save this. Okay, save this. Now one step come back. See why we are doing this. So you should also understand why we are doing this. Okay. So if we check not modifiable means we cannot change the sold to party and we can have only one sold to party. So if you uncheck, that means that we can have multiple bill to party, multiple payers and multiple ship to party. See, just like that, when you raise any order, no, you are the ship to party. Sorry, you are the sold to party. Now you are shipping to your friend. Okay, so we can have multiple ship to parties, multiple payers, and multiple bill to parties. But always sold to party will be only one person, and this is mandatory. Okay, so hope you got this. The second step, that is partner termination in procedure. Now third one is partner termination procedure assignment. Now partner termination procedure assignment. Now go to here. Now what is your account group? The account group is ZZSP. Now go to ZZSP. See, we have AG, remove AG. Now what is a part determination procedure we created? ZZSP. Correct, right? Now save this. Okay, now save this. Now I will create one customer now. Okay, there is one more step. So this is done, right? Now account group assignment. Now account group assignment. Now double click on this account group assignment. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Now partner function SP. Now what is the account group? Account group is ZZSP. See, this is the issue. See, this is the account, this is the partner function. For this partner function, we are not able to identify what is the number. Now this number is assigned to our account group. Now what is our account group? This is the account group. Okay, double click. Next one is ship to party. So sold to party, ship to party SH, now ZZSP, enter, and payer PY, ZZSP, and bill to party BP, ZZSP, enter. Okay, now save this. So these are the four different steps that we do. Now one step, come back. Now create one customer master now. Slash and XT01. So quickly let us create one customer master with account group ZZSP because we have just done the configuration for ZZSP. Now click on enter. For example, I'll take Vaishnavi. Uh, some random data I'm taking. Bengaluru region transportation zone. Now go to company code data, reconciliation account. Go to sales area data. I'm just filling some of the mandatory fields from here. Just mandatory fields I'm filling. Now tax is one. Now go to shipping tab, shipping condition. Now if you go to partner function, see earlier these two fields were empty, no? So this is how the partner termination procedure will help us to identify who is the bill to party for this sold to party. Now who is the payer for this sold to party and who is the ship to party when this sold to party raise any order. Now when you save this, see system will generate a number. See, this is the number range that we configured, right? So this is a number range. So this is how you create a customer master. This is how you will create one account group. You will assign the number range to account group and then you will do partner termination procedure for that particular account group. So this is how uh, we do. Now next one is for sold to party. So similarly, we have to go to sold to party. Also, if you observe one thing, now go to define account groups for customer, display yes. Now go to ZZSP. This is our sold to party. Now if you go inside, see ZZSP is assigned automatically. Okay. Now let us do for ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Now one step come back, one step come back. Now one or else one step come back. Now set up part termination procedure for customer. Go to new entries, ZZSS, that is ZZSS partner termination procedure. Okay, now select this, double click on the procedure. Now go to new entries. When you go to new entries, remember that for ship to party, we have only one partner termination procedure. Okay, that is SH. Click on not modifiable and this is mandatory and save this. See also if you observe here, okay, 1 minute I will save this. Now go to xt02, xt02, xt02. This was our customer which we create. See here, you cannot change the sold to party. So this is SP, right? You cannot change the sold to party, but you can change who is the bill to party, who is the payer, and who is the ship to party. You can change. Okay. So this is coming from where this is not modifiable and mandatory. Okay. Now I will, so this is done. Now click on partner termination procedure assignment. Now go to our account that is ZZ, yeah, ZZSS. Now what is the account group? Account group is ZZSS. Now save this, select this line item, go to account groups in functions, go to new entries, and partner function is SH for ship to party and account group is ZZSS. Okay, now save this. So these are the four steps for ship to party. Now let us do for payer. Let us do for payer. Okay, go to new entries, ZZPP, ZZPY. Okay, I'll take ZZPY. Now ZZPY partner determination procedure. Enter. Now select this, go to partner functions in procedure. Now go to new entries. Now partner function for payer it is PY. Remember for payer it is associated with only one. For sold to party all the partner functions will be there. Now select this line item. Go to partner termination procedure assignment. Now go to new entries. Okay, this function is not possible. Okay, sorry, go to positions, ZZPY, go to ZZPY. Now remove RG, ZZPY. Okay, give ZZPY. 1 minute it is loading. Some server issue on my it's taking some time. So first you have what you have to do, create one account group, assign one number range to that account group. Third one is you have to do partner termination procedure for all the partner function, that is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Okay. 1 minute, it is taking some time. If I come back, I'll just follow. Okay, I'll stop the transaction. For ZZPY, it is ZZPY. I don't understand. There's some issue at all. Okay. See, directly code OV PAN. You can go to OV PAN directly, not OV PAN. 1 minute. The T code for this is taking time. Yeah. So now I am removing R, G and ZZPY is our part termination procedure. Now click enter. Now save this. Okay, now save this. Now select this line item. Now click on account group function assignment. Go to new entries. For payer what? For payer it is PY, and what is the account group? ZZPY. Click enter. Click enter and save this. So this is done. Now let us do for bill to party. Let us do for bill to party. Now go to new entries, ZZBP. Now I will take caps ZZBP, ZZBP partner termination procedure. Now select this line item. Now double click on partner functions in procedure. Go to new entries. What is a partner function? BP. For bill to party, it is BP. Now select this both and save. Okay. Now select this line item. Now double click on partner termination procedure assignment. Now what is your account group? ZZBP is the account group. Now go and remove RE. Okay, remove RE. ZZBP is a partner termination procedure which we created now. Now select this line item. Now double click on account group function assignment. Now go to new entries. Go to new entries. What is the partner function for bill to party? BP. Now what is the account group that we created? ZZBP. Enter. Now save it. Save it. See, that's all. So we have created partner termination procedure for all the account groups. Okay, for all the account groups. Now, what is the T code for the account groups? /n OVT0. If you go to /n OVT0, go to ZZ SP, that is sold to party. If you double click here, okay, this is for this is for a ship to party. So this is a partner termination procedure. And for sold to party, this is the partner termination procedure associated with four different partner functions. Now, if you click on payer, we have this partner termination procedure, which is associated with only pay. See, he's a payer. No, he can't raise the sales order. He will just pay. That is why we have only one partner termination procedure. Now, if you go to bill to party, for bill to party also we have only one partner function associated because he will only pay the bill. He will not raise the sales order. Okay, so hope you understood this concept, that is partner termination procedure. Now I will create one customer. Now, sorry, close this. We created one sold to party. No, let me create one bill to party. First, I'll create ship to party. I will select account group as ship to party. This is the company code. So this is the sales area. Click enter. For example, I will give Sagar, search term as Sagar, city Hebbar, country IN, region 10. This is a transportation zone. Now go to company code data, enter. Now go to sales and distribution. Now go to billing document. Uh, Click one is relevant for tax. Go to shipping tab, shipping condition 0 1. See, if you come to partner function, you can see only one partner function assigned because this is a configuration. Okay, this is a configuration. So ship to party is associated with only one partner function, that is sh. Now save this. Now save this. So you can see 300,000 is a number which got generated. Now where is our Excel sheet? See, as per this number range that got generated. Now I will create one more customer in account group XD01. Now click on account overview. Now scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Okay, for payer ZZPY. Okay, I'm creating one payer in this sales area. Now who is the payer? Payer, for example, I will take some payer Vishnu, Vishnu Vishnu, and he is from Hoskote. Hoskote is from Hoskote, country IN, region, and now go to company code data and enter reconciliation account. Now go to sales area. Now go to billing tab. If you go to billing tab, so we don't have any partner function here. Type 1 output tax. Now save this. Okay. So you see one customer number has been generated. Now check on OK. Now slash and XC01. I will enter one bill to party. So I've created payer. Now I will create one bill to party ZZB. So I will tell you why I'm creating customer in all the four account groups. For example, uh, Dhanush bill to party, Dhanush bill to party, country, country IN. So other things are not mandatory. Go to sales area, go to partner functions. You can see one bill to party and save this. See, one number has been generated. Now what I will do, I will go to XT02, XT02. Now I will enter that sold to party that we created. What is the sold to party? That is 100. So I will come here. I will put 100, enter. Oh no, one step come back. Now I will put, this is how we have to practice. Okay. Now click on enter 100. See, now what I will do, partner function, what I will do, ship to party. So ship to party is sh, right? I will put one sh ship to party. I will give the customer code just now we created, control V. See what happens if Vishnu is a sold to party. Vishnu is the sold to party. Now Vishnu can, sorry, Vaishnavi. So Vaishnavi is a sold to party. Now what happens? Vaishnavi will be the ship to party, or she can ship to Sagar. Now I'm saving this. Okay, I'm saving this. Now I will create one sales order. Okay, I will create one sales order. Now I will go here, create new session. I will create one sales order. VA01 is a sales or T code to create sales order. Order type OR. Now I will give 100. This is a sold to party. Now this is a sold to party. Now ship to party, what? From the in customer master, we have two different ship to party. As soon as I click enter, system will ask which ship to party, whether you want to ship to Vaishnavi or you want to ship to Sagar. I can click Sagar. Okay. No pricing procedure will be determined. Could be determined. So this error we'll see later. So hope you understood the concept, right? So while creating sales order, system will ask which ship to party system has to consider. Now I will go to the same customer. Okay. So similarly, you can have different payers and different bill to parties also. So I will take payer, PY payer. Now if I come here, what is a payer? So this is the payer that we created. Control C, Control V, enter. Control V controls. Now this is the bill to party. So party, Control V, enter. See, for one sold to party, okay, for one sold to party, we have two different bill to party, two different payer, and two different ship to party. Okay, so this is the concept of account groups, part determination procedure, and how we can assign number ranges to account groups. So this is the complete information of customer master data. Okay, so did I miss anything here? Let me see. If you observe for payer, okay, if you observe here, oh yeah, I will select this payer, Control C. I will enter this payer here, Control V, Control V, enter. If I'm in sales, but there is no partner function tab here. So what I will do, I will go to OVT0 slash and OVT0. So OVT0. Now ZZSP. Go to ZZSP. Sorry, payer, no? Payer means ZZPY. ZZPY. Go to ZZPY. Now go to sales data. Sales data. Okay, we have only sales partner usage. Double click on this is suppress. Now what I will do, I will give optional entry and I will save this. See, it has been suppressed. That's why I'm not able to see this tab there. Now I will give this as optional. Now I will come back to this screen. Now slash and xt02. Okay. And see, now I'm able to see partner function with Vishnu. Vishu. Vishu. Okay. So this is the functionality of account groups. Now I will save this. So that's all guys in today's class. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please raise your questions in comment box. I'll be happy to answer. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because it will help you to get the notification of upcoming video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.